Welcome to another video. Today I'm going to show you battery operated wall sconces. It is rechargeable wireless installation. It has remote control and 350 rotation. It has dimming and you can charge it with USB-C. Here are some of the features. Let's open it and see what we have inside. Here are the lights. These are the bases. Here is the second one. Remote controller and the battery. USB 8, USB-C charging cable, screw pack. Let me go ahead and put the batteries. You can turn it on and off. And mode 1, mode 2, 1 hour, 2, 3, 4, 5 hours. Increase the brightness, decrease the brightness. And you can change the color. And you can change the speed here. Let's go ahead and install it first. Installation is very easy. We're just going to go ahead and push it. Now it's done. Let's do the other side too. Same thing. That's it. That's the installation. Let me do the other one also. Alrighty. Since this is first usage, we're going to go ahead and charge it. Both of them. Let's check mode 1, mode 2. Increase the brightness. And change the speed. Color. I'm going to go ahead and wait for fully charged and then come back. I'm going to go ahead and put it right there. Since this is magnetic, I'm just going to go ahead and put this right there. You see? It can just stay wherever you put. Or you can just turn it to the right or left. Then we can turn the light like that. Let me do the other side also. It's going to be right there. Alrighty, right here. I really like it. It's because this is magnetic. Whenever you want it, you can just take it out and charge it and put it back. Let's go ahead and put it in a test. Here is my fireplace area, left and right. Turn it on. This is what you're gonna get. And we can change the color. This is awesome. And you can change the brightness like that. And you can change the duration. 1 hour, 2 hours, 3, 4, 5, 6 hours. There's mode 1. Let's see the mode 1. And the color is changing. What about mode 2? Color is changing also. Let me go ahead and twist it on the other side. You can use it like that. And the top one also. Let's do the other side. Same thing. Like that. Alrighty. How about I change the color? Increase the brightness. It's awesome. If you don't have the remote controller, you can change it from here too. Like that. Whenever you wanna take it out and charge it, you can just charge it and put it back however you like. You can also twist it or rotate. Let's check it out like this. We can do the same thing right here. That's it. I can definitely suggest this product.